Pag-usapan naman natin ang isa sa pinakabagong trend sa automotive ngayon, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. Ito yung mga HEVs kung tawagin o Hybrid Electric Vehicle. Malamang karamihan sa ating mga may hilig sa sasakyan or tayong mga matagal ng car owners we're somehow familiar now with these terms. Hindi na rin naman ito sobrang recent or bago since marami na rin countries ang meron ng ganitong sasakyan in their local markets. So bago man sa pandinig at paningin natin mga bossing, silipin natin ng kaunti kung ano nga bang meron sa mga HEV or Hybrid Electric Vehicles. With me again, JJ Henry ng Toyota Otis. Kung ikaw ay isang car owner or nagbabalak palang bumili ng bagong sasakyan, malamang ay narinig or nabasa mo na yung term na HEV or hybrid. And for sure, meron kang mga katanungan kung ano o para saan ba yung mga hybrid na yan, di ba? First off, HEV or Hybrid Electric Vehicle is a type or another type of vehicle that uses both fuel engine and electric motor for the vehicle to run. Now here at Toyota Otis, this is also how we differentiate hybrid electric vehicles from EV or electric vehicles, since EV only uses an electric motor and batteries for the vehicle operation. Now, would you consider this new type of vehicle as one of your choices pagdating sa pagbili ng sasakyan? Daming tanong, no? So here are some important aspects that you might want to consider to be able to appreciate especially Toyota hybrid electric vehicles. Una, marami ang nag-aalangan to go hybrid dahil baka mahirap ang maintenance at saka mga pyesa. And we're telling you that maintenance or servicing your hybrid car is just similar kung paano natin pinapa-maintenance ang ating mga conventional or fuel engine cars. Pwede mong dalhin ang inyong HEV car dito sa Toyota Otis. And our expert service technicians are very skilled and trained to service your HEVs. How about charging the car or plug-ins? That's the beauty of having a Toyota HEV. Toyota HEVs are powered by a self-charging electric motor and does not require plugging in your car for charging. Toyota HEVs charges itself through regenerative braking and stores energy from it to the battery. Kaya no worries sa charging and plugging in ng sasakyan mo into a power source. How about the electric battery? Well, Toyota offers an 8-year warranty for the hybrid electric battery. Can you imagine? 8 long worry-free years warranty for the battery. Ang tagal nun, Brad. Siyempre, with proper care and maintenance, the battery can last the same lifespan as the vehicle itself. Kaya dapat marunong ding mag-alaga ng sasakyan. Nice. Ano naman ang mga advantages and benefits mo kapag nag-hybrid ka, di ba? I-check din natin yan, bossing. Una, fuel efficiency. Number 1 yan. Siyempre, halos lahat tayo tinatanong natin yan when buying a new car. HEV uses 2 main power source to move your car. That is the gas engine and the electric motor. It does not solely rely on gasoline engine the whole time, kaya mas tipid. And during vehicle operation, Toyota hybrid system intelligently switches seamlessly depende sa bilis, sa acceleration at iba pa. Another advantage, electric motors have higher torque and produces minimal noise and vibration. This gives us better response in acceleration and mas smooth na ang pag-arangkada. Mas tahimik din ang HEV. So this way, mas nami-minimize ang driving stress natin so we can enjoy more of our trips. Baka naman nature lover ka. Why not help reduce carbon dioxide emission and promote a healthier atmosphere? HEVs consumes less fuel kaya mas mababa din ang pag-emit nito ng carbon dioxide. So nakakatipid ka na, nakakatulong ka pa, bossing. Another key to consider is pagdating naman sa registration ng inyong sasakyan. If aware kayo mga bossing sa tinatawag na EVIDA law, it's a law that serves the government proposed solution to the skyrocketing fuel prices here in our country. So setting aside the main purpose and goals of this act, ito ang ilang benefits that HEV owners may enjoy. Priorities in registration or renewal ng inyong mga HEV.
Sana all.
Issuance of special type vehicle plate. Exemption in number coding schemes and other similar schemes implemented by different government agencies. At marami pang ibang benefits. So those were some perks for HEV owners thanks to the EVIDA law. And in the near future, marami pang possible na benefits ang pwedeng ma-enjoy ng mga HEV owner. So decided ka na ba? Would you go hybrid electric or would you stick with the conventional same old type of vehicle? Well, kahit ano pa man yan, bossing, make sure na we have looked into every aspect in considering the right car para sa atin. I hope that this video helps you at least a little and gave you some insights about HEVs. Thank you mga bossing, and this is again JJ. Peace.